Welcome to Moo Moo Math and Science. In this video, let's figure out what fraction is halfway between 3/16 and 5/16. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to add these two together and then divide it by 2. So let's go ahead and rewrite. We have 3/16 plus 5 and 5/16. And since the denominators are the same, we just add straight across. So that will give us 8/16. Okay, now let's go ahead and divide it by 2. So I'm going to write 2 over 1. And if you remember, when you divide, you can just change, flip. So we'll keep the fraction, change the sign, flip the other fraction. 8 times 1 is 8. 16 times 2 is 32. We now can simplify this. 8 goes into 32, so 8 divided by 8 equals 1. 8 goes into 32 4 times. So the fraction in between 3/16 and 5/16 is 1/4. I hope that was helpful.